Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why do atoms transfer and share electrons to form ionic and covalent molecule bonds respectively? Atoms with relatively similar electronegativities share electrons between them and are connected by covalent bonds. Atoms with large differences in electronegativity transfer electrons to form ions. The ions then are attracted to each other. This attraction is known as an ionic bond. Why are only valence and not core electrons involved in bonding? Why do only valence answer? Electrons in the inner shells are strongly attracted by the nucleus and are stable, thereby they don't involve in bond formation. The electrons in the outermost shells of atoms are called valence electrons, which are highly active and are weakly attracted by the nucleus of atom. Which atoms will bond when valence electrons are transferred from one atom to the other? Ionic bonding definition. An ionic bond is formed when valence electrons are transferred from one atom to the other to complete the outer electron shell. Example: a typical ionically bonded material is sodium chloride, salt. The sodium Na atom gives up its valence electron to complete the outer shell of the chlorine Cl atom. Why does carbon form covalent bonds and not ionic bonds? Carbon forms covalent bonds because carbon has an atomic number 6 and have 4 electrons in its octet, so it can neither lose nor gain 4 electrons to complete its octet, so it forms covalent bonds by sharing its 4 electrons, and covalent bonds are more stronger than the ionic bonds. Why do ions form after ionic bonding? Such a bond forms when the valence, outermost, electrons of one atom are transferred permanently to another atom. The atom that loses the electrons becomes a positively charged ion, cation, while the one that gains them becomes a negatively charged ion, anion. A brief treatment of ionic bonds follows. When one atom loses an electron and another atom accepts the electron. 2 ionic bonds. An ionic bond is formed by the complete transfer of some electrons from one atom to another. The atom losing one or more electrons becomes a cation, a positively charged ion. The atom gaining one or more electron becomes an anion, a negatively charged ion. Which pair of atoms is held together by a covalent bond? A covalent bond is the force of attraction that holds together two atoms that share a pair of valence electrons. Covalent bonds form only between atoms of nonmetals. The two atoms that are held together in a covalent bond may be atoms of the same element or different elements.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.